Coming up on Jennifer's condo, and the table's been painted. Tables and chairs. On the back of these chairs, what happens is the birds don't like sitting on them. Normally the birds would relieve themselves on the chairs, but if you put these coverings on, the birds don't seem to like them. And these were made by Jennifer. And a lot of people have clothing drying racks in here. I'm thinking about purchasing one. And have a working light there now. One air conditioner. The trundle bed. These have been done by Jennifer. Purchased a new coffee maker, and that's a multi-oven there. It does air the oven and broil. And here is the washer and dryer. I've sealed right there. It wasn't sealed before because they put the air vent over on this window. But it allowed geckos to come in, so it stopped the geckos from coming in. New table and chairs that I was talking about in other videos. And a fold-out ladder. There's drawers on this side, and drawers on the other side as well on this trundle bed. This is one of the TVs. I've replaced both these lights because they weren't bright enough. A little hard for playing some games when it's not that bright. I switched these lights out. This is over top of the mirror and over top of the shower. And I put a rain shower in there, as well as a hand wand which comes off. In the shower here also is dispensers for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And I touched these up a little bit more. And here's the other TV. And touched up some more for any damage that had been done or whatever. Little scrapings in the wall. Redid the walls on this behind here. And this is a smart TV. Oh, recent additions is the smoke detector. And up here is emergency lights. The emergency light was damaged, and because the battery needed replacing, and it was an old acid lead battery.